Nothing needs fighting and no one needs pity. Thanks for giving this moment to me. And just for a moment things stop. Here at the top of the world.
For all these years, you've stayed alone.
And free from danger.
We've shared your fears. It wasn't safe to trust a stranger.
But maybe we were wrong here.
Could she belong here? This girl appears.
And she is kind. And we're admitting
We
we'd
give
give
3
3
cheers
cheers
to
to
see
see
you
you
all